Still sitting, man. Still sitting. It's going for retail. Air Force 107 premiums. Another perennial tenants. These have been at every outlet that I've been to. The Kyrie Mamba mentalities, man. These are dope. These are pretty dope. Maroon colorway. Alright, these fearless ones. Chilling. Do like these. I do like them. What's going on, YouTube viewers? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. Welcome to sunny California, man. I'm squinting like a mug right now because it's sunny, but it's still like 45 degrees outside. Long Beach, California. We are at the Long Beach Nike outlet. I got Bossco Mitch. He's way the fuck back there. I can't even see him. But yeah. Let's go see what's up, man. Let's go get some steals and deals. I'm hoping to find some winterized 4s here. I don't know. I think I'm hoping for a little too much. Usually when I go to the outlet, I just hope for steals. So yeah, but let's see what we find, you guys. See what we find. This place has had a dope clearance section lately, so yeah, let's hope it works out. Got 20% off the entire purchase. 20% off. See what's up. Let's start with the smaller sizes. Dang, these going down in price big time. These going down big time. 720s. $80. Get that 20% off. Size 9. All right, let's go back to size 10. Those are worker here, so that's why I wasn't trying to film right in front of them. So yeah, size 10, you guys. Yes, Air Max 90. Yeah, these are new, aren't they? I think these just came out, didn't they? Yeah, go. What these going for? What's this going for? $100, I think. Go for 100. Go for 100. 20% off. Cortez leathers. Oh, these are pretty dope. Going for retail though. Cool colorway. I've never seen this colorway. Go for 70. You get that 20% off. Pretty dope. Pretty dope. So we got here 20 minutes late. Apparently there were some Jordan 11 platinum tints right there. Worker just told me I missed out on those. Dang it. So you gotta be early. No, man, we've seen way too many of these at the outlets, man. I guess that's why they're at the outlets, because nobody's buying them. But yeah, the motors, they call them the motorsports, I think. But yeah, man, Jordan 1s go for $70, 30% off the double straps. We saw these last week, the Kobe's. Kobe's saw still sitting, man. Still sitting. Look pretty dope. Look pretty dope. I do like the black with the hint of what, like a red and the kind of like the bluish and purplish outsole. Kind of cool. Kind of cool. Going for retail. Get 20% off. 200. Got some Air Forces going for retail. Air Force 107 premiums. All black with the ice on the bottom, man. Dope. Oh, checkers. Look at this. Checkers bottom. That's pretty dope. Pretty dope. Which ones are these? The Chicago's? Chicago's? That's interesting. Never seen these before. Pretty dope. Pretty dope. Going for retail, get 20% off. Size 9. No, that's all good. It's all good, dog. It's all good, man. 150. 150. Going for $150. Saw these last time. Some more Kobe's. These are what, size 9s? Size 9, man. These are sitting. Guess 20% is not enough for people to cop them. That's crazy. Got the VaporMax acronyms. And these are all. Oops. These are always sitting, dude. Yeah, because they've been trying to get retail for them, man. Just give us a slight discount, you know what I'm saying? $225, man. Get 20%. That's it. Dang, I can't wait till these go down in price. Love these Kobe's. Got that snakeskin. Got that. Oh, it's like a suede snakeskin though. Love the textures on them. Just dope. But too high. Going for what? 175, I believe. Yeah, 175. Retail. 20% though. Got these Perennial outlet tenants, man. These are always here. They're trying to get retail. These were like 130 on the Nike website. They got rid of theirs. Another Perennial tenants. These have been at every outlet that I've been to. The LeBron 7 red carpets. Chilling. Guys, house. We were 20 minutes late, man, and look at all the stuff we missed out on. All the resellers. We missed out, you guys. Got to get to the outlets at 10 o'clock or before 10 o'clock. Can't be late. Yeah, this is outrageous. Look, got these the reflective sixes. 200, man. That's crazy. They'll sell these for 130 on their website. That's insane. Not much in terms of the Jordans, you guys. The Jordan Owl is pretty mediocre. Not terrible. That's not terrible, I guess. So I'm not a huge fan of the Janowskis. But, man, the Dornbeckers, they're not sold out. So I'm wondering if I should get a pair of the Janowski Dornbeckers. So I'm gonna actually try these on, see what size fits, to see if I should get them or not. Yeah, these are just way too tight, and not tight right here, but up top right here is just way too tight. My feet are way too fat for these. These are for skinny feet, dude. All right, so much for that idea. They had an additional discount on these last week. No additional discounts now. Still a little bit high, but they started off at 150. That's crazy. Some Element React 270. That's crazy. These are a little bit high too. Not a terrible colorway, but a little bit high. Okay, these are down to 90. Not bad. I think they were 110 with 20% off last time. Not shabby though. 90 bucks. Cool colorway. Not the hugest fan of whites, but not terrible, not bad. This one is my favorite colorway of this silhouette, but man, these make your feet look huge though. That's what I've seen. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you think. Okay, I think these were 89 plus 20% off last time. Still solid price. 80 bucks, dude. Anywhere from what, size 9 to size 13. Not terrible. Not bad. Oh, no, they got 8 to 13. Even better. And the women's section now. I do need to find a size 9 for my niece. Size 9 women's. Or 8.5, 9. All right, these fearless ones. Chilling. Going for retail. Checking out the backpacks. See if there's anything worth copping and or flipping. Saw these. I thought these were interesting. It's a Nike basketball. Team USA. 60 bucks. Pretty dope backpack. Don't really have much resale value. They're going for like 60, 70 bucks online, and they're 60 bucks. You get an extra 30% off, but not really worth it. This was what I was checking out right here. The SB backpack. I sold one of these bad boys a while back. Sold for like 65, 70 bucks. I don't remember the exact amount, but it's a little bit high here. I think they were $39.99 when I got them, and 30% off. So I did make like 30 bucks off of it, but this one's a little bit too high. I could probably make 15, 20 bucks off of it, but that's not enough profit margin for me. Too much work. So yeah, let's keep it moving. Keep it moving to the next section. Bossco, you find anything so far?
So far, these is something I found pretty unique. Dead stock pair, two of them.
Got two of them.
Some Kyrie 5 model mentalities, but I was going.
Oh yeah, I saw size 12 or something. Yeah. But and I think we just talked about they left the box top on, which is pretty dope. Like usually they rarely ever leave the box tops on, but we got some people who respect the sneaker game right here, man. Good for them. That's pretty dope. But yeah, I think that's the best thing we found so far.
Yeah, probably so. I mean, it's kind of dry besides that, but
yeah.
Got a little bit more to look and check out and see, but for the most part,
just hopefully you can find something for your girl, like find something for my niece, because that's what we're trying to do. Cool. I do got on the Moon Racers, hella comfortable, full length React, super dope. Yeah, let's go back to shoes. We saw these last week, but I'm gonna show them again because they are pretty dope, pretty clean colorway. It is a mid though. It is a mid, and the materials are pretty mediocre. Some synthetics, but yeah, the color, I am digging the color. Going for 120. That's a little high though. 120. Get that 20% off though. And it's a size 9. It's at 7.5 now. Checking out the women's aisles, you guys. Look at this. Not bad for the Metcons. These are for weightlifting. Please do not run in these or do anything like that. These are for weightlifting. Super flat on the bottom. Not much support. Not much cushioning. And that's because you want to be very flat on your feet and stuff. 70 bucks? Not bad. These normally go for like $1.50 or something. Another colorway, peach, not terrible. And these are dope, but just a little pricey. A little pricey, man. Just save the $10. Go for the other ones. Dang, 80 bucks, still a full size run. I do like the color, man, but 6 all the way to 11, man. Full size run. I do like the color of these, dude. But I wouldn't pay 80. I think they'll go down. I bought a pair of my royal blue ones for like 60 bucks. I think they're gonna keep going down. These are pretty dope. I think I saw these last week. I think the stuff's kind of the same as last week, but these are dope though. I like that colorway, 110, not bad. Yeah, they're looking kind of meh. I don't know. Dang, prices are down, you guys. Bargain basement prices for these elements started at 130, I think. Kind of like this colorway better. Dang, this stuff is here from last week. It's the exact same price, exact same. Oh, maybe wait, 110. Maybe it did go down. I don't know, but it looks like it's a one-off. Did not see these in the aisles. These are definitely the same price last time. I do like the color on both of them. Do get that 20% off both though. They're not terrible. Oh, I forgot to mention it's 20% off the entire purchase. So all these sneakers, 20% off. 20% off, not bad. Great time to buy stuff from the aisles. Because usually I don't buy too much stuff from the aisles. The wind flows, these are very similar to the Pegasus 35s. Going for 65, 30% off, not bad. Yeah, we got some Air Force Ones in the women's section. Look at these. Suede, man. These are the Sage editions. I don't know what the hell that means, but it's suede, you guys. Super, super clean, man. It's going for retail though, man. We don't do retail. Actually, I've been buying a lot of stuff on retail, but at the outlets, man, you need to try to cop for a real good price. Especially for this type of stuff, to be really honest. But yeah, $100, get 20% off. Like these kind of look like the upcoming Travis Scott. No, I'm just joking. But yeah, these are the 270 Reacts. Going for retail though, man. It's a newer colorway, I guess. Get that 20 off though. Not really much in the women's section. Pegasus 36 Trails, going for retail. Dang, get 20% off. Not much in the women's section, you guys. Really not much. Alright, that's a solid price. The Elements, 60 bucks. Get 20 off on top of that. The kids section hasn't had much lately, but look at this. Some of the reverse taxis, man. These are super clean. I hope you guys make your way to the outlet. I hope you guys come in droves. 100 bucks, 20 off. So yeah, $80. Not bad, not bad. Man, kids size has got more heat than anybody. Look at this. Air Force Ones. Air Force One lows. 60 bucks, man. Get 20 on top of that. That's not bad, dude. Not bad at all. Pegasus 36s, 65 bucks. That's not bad. Cool colorway too. Yeah, that's crazy high, dude. $1.20. That's crazy. Some Prestos, React Prestos, man. If you guys want any of your kids to destroy shoes in 8 minutes, you got the all white Prestos right here, man. That would last my kids like 9 minutes before they got totally destroyed. Yeah, go for 70 bucks, 20% off. Yeah, this ain't bad. 115. Oh, the sneakers ain't bad. The price, yeah, no, I'm good on that. But not bad. 20% off though. It's a heat wall for the women's right there. Got some 270s going for really good prices. Not bad. Not bad. Look what I walked by earlier. Look. Got some Retro 12s. Got the reverse taxis. Go for retail though, man. What's up with that? That kid size is actually a 5Y, which is a 6.5 in women's. This is a size 6. Just get the kids one, man. Way cheaper. But go for retail. Go for retail. Get 20% off at least. Do like these. I do like them. Just can't pay retail for them. Can't pay retail, especially since I got the Chinese New Year's, and they're not crazy different. I think I do like these a little bit more than Chinese New Year's though. Nope. All right, we're out. Didn't really see much, you guys. I think we lost to the resellers today. Dang it, they beat us. They worked harder. We got here a little bit late, so yeah. Moral of the story: make sure you guys get to the outlets right at 10 o'clock. Right at 10 o'clock, you guys. I'm leaving, but look at this. This is real. This is some real California stuff right here. Look at this dog-friendly store, and that's why I saw dogs here. Was it this outlet or one of the other ones? Look, dog-friendly store, and then they even provide water. They provide water for the dogs. That's crazy, man. If I get bit, man, it's gonna be on, dude. All right, that's about it, you guys. Yeah, thanks for making it to the end of the video. I definitely do appreciate that. Thanks for watching. You know, if those of you guys are new, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe. I'm gonna come get you guys if you guys want to subscribe. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, I really didn't really find that much here. You know, I guess we were a little late, so the resellers beat us to everything. Dang it! That's why I'm telling you, you guys got to work hard and get to the outlets like at 10 a.m. Dude, got to get there early. So yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. Go ahead and make sure you guys check out Bossco's channel. Those of you guys who haven't seen Bossco's channel, he does outlet vlogs. He covers a lot more sneaker stuff than I do. So you know, I'm just the cheap ass that goes to the outlets and stuff. So so yeah, so make sure you guys go ahead and check his channel. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next one. Peace.